Everyone says location is everything, but that's not the full truth, because I've seen properties sitting in prime locations lose their shine faster than you can say appreciation. And it's not because of bad market conditions, it's because people often forget that building a property is one phase, sustaining it is another entirely. If your property can't stand the test of time, your location alone won't save it. Hi, I'm Tonia of AT Realty, and if you're serious about building long-term wealth through real estate, then you already know the goal isn't just to own property, it's to own an appreciating asset. So today, I want us to go beyond the cliche of location, 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 and talk about the silent factors that truly determine how well your property holds value 5, 10, even 20 years from now. Because the truth is, property appreciation is engineered, not accidental. Real appreciation starts beneath the paint. The strength of your foundation, the quality of materials, the finishing, the plumbing, the waterproofing. These are not aesthetic decisions. They are financial decisions. Because when a building starts to deteriorate within 3 years, what depreciates isn't just the walls, it's your equity. True investors don't get carried away by marble floors and chandeliers. They ask, how was this structure engineered to survive Lagos humidity, air, and rain? Here's where many developers drop the ball. The day the last unit is sold, the true test begins. Who takes care of this building after delivery? Without proper facility management, every property is on a slow countdown to depreciation. Water tanks start leaking, interlocks cave in, security weakens, and before long, a building that once screamed luxury begins to whisper abandonment. The Lagos market is full of once beautiful homes that lost value not because of poor design, but because nobody planned for sustainability. The kind of developer you buy from determines the kind of property you will resell. Some build to sell, others build to last. The difference? The first group focuses on profit margins. The second group focuses on legacy. A developer with a long-term vision has a stake in how that estate looks 10 years from now. They think beyond handover day. They think asset performance. And as an investor, aligning with that mindset protects your capital. A well-kept property in a poorly maintained environment will still struggle to appreciate. Real value comes when your surrounding infrastructure, roads, drainage, power, aesthetics evolve in sync with your property. Because even a luxury duplex loses its prestige when the neighborhood begins to decay. The best investors don't just buy into buildings, they buy into an ecosystem. I have walked into homes that looked twice their age, faded walls, broken tiles, dull interiors, and yet they were only 3 years old. Every time, I think of the owners who probably started with excitement, believing they were buying into long-term wealth. But wealth in real estate isn't created by purchase. It is protected by maintenance. Appreciation doesn't just happen with time. It happens with intention. So yes, location matters. But without construction integrity, facility management, developer vision, and environmental maturity, that prime address won't mean much in 10 years. If you're planning to invest in Lagos real estate, you need to think beyond where it is and start asking how it will age. And if you'd like to invest in properties that are built with appreciation in mind, the ones that are properly managed and positioned for growth, send me a DM or click the link in the description. Let's help you secure an investment that stands the test of time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my real estate shows from the front line. See you in the next one. Bye.